Hey, what's up guys? Josh Morales from Alamo Digital. So one thing I've been noticing lately, I've been talking to a lot of business owners, and when I see their Facebook page, it's not set up as a business account. Now, this makes a huge difference in how you're approaching your business and your customers. I mean, if you don't have a Facebook page that's made for your business, specifically for your business, you're not reaching the right amount of people. You're not opening up all of the assets that Facebook has to offer. So let me show you something real fast. So if your Facebook looks like this versus this, you don't have a Facebook business page. And why is this important? Well, you haven't unlocked all of Facebook's potential assets that you can. Advertising, audience insights, the pixel. The pixel is huge. It's huge for retargeting. So I read a statistic the other day that only 2% of buyers actually buy the first time they go to a website. And 98% of those people will actually buy after they have visited the website multiple times. Now imagine pixeling them, retargeting them on Facebook, and then bringing them back to your website. That's the power of the Facebook pixel. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna link you over to my website where you can read one of my blogs. And it's gonna show you how to set up your Facebook business page. Now it's pretty simple, just follow the steps. But I'm also, if you're interested, send me a message and I'll actually shoot you a PDF file where it shows step by step. But I mean, if you go through the video, you shouldn't have a problem. See you guys later.